All right, so let's give it up for Uchechi. That's right, give it up for Uchechi. All right, thanks a lot, Uchechi, for sending in your name for today's Igbo name of the day. So let's translate that name together. Everybody ready? All right, so Uche. Uche means thought or mind or I guess like current mindset, right? And Chi means God, or I guess in this context, it's like your destiny or your personal destiny, your personal path in life, your guardian angel, what you want, I guess what God wants for your life, okay? So we put those two together and you get Uchechi, which is basically, it's almost kind of like the mind of God or God's mindset, God's thoughts, God's plan, you know what I'm saying? Things like that. Uchechi. Uchechi's names give them the power to be good at persuading and winning people over to their side. They're tenacious and adaptable. Tag and share this video with all the Uchechis that you know. Thanks. Ndipo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji nilo nano wakwezo.
Yeah.
All right, Uchechi, what do you think? Did I get the translation right? Let me know in the comment section down below. I look forward to hearing what you have to say. If you liked watching this video, hit that like button. If you didn't like watching this video, then tap it really lightly instead. All right, so if you really like this series, if you would like an Igbo name, or maybe you're expecting a child and you would like to gift your child a name from the ancestors, let me know in the comment section down below. My Instagram is also linked there, so you can send me a DM, a personal DM too. If there are certain things you would like to manifest into your child's life, or we have a certain idea or a concept, that I can give you the closest Igbo name to that meaning, right? Let's say there's certain traits or things like that, blessings you want to speak into their life, certain power and things like that, or certain abilities that you wish they would have, just a certain destiny or path in life, or just certain good things that you would want for your child. Let me know. If you would like an Igbo name too, I can ask you a few questions and you can let me know personality traits about you when you answer those questions, and I can gift you your very own Igbo name, and I can feature that name onto the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. That's the other playlist. Check that out. It'll probably show at the end of this video, so check out. I'm also a photographer, so you might see some photography stuff show up at the end of the video. So if you keep watching to the end, it might suggest you to watch the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway, so I can give you a name on the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway series, or I can, if you are Igbo, if you tell me your Igbo name, kind of like Uchechi, I can feature your name on this series, which is the Igbo Name of the Day, this playlist, all right? And so in our culture, we believe that whenever someone calls your name, you're invoking the strength and the power behind that name in your life. Imagine whenever someone calls your name, they're not just saying words like your name, you know what I'm saying? They're calling those blessings and that power and that strength from God into your life, right? There's names like that in, the United States, like hope, grace, faith, things like that. And so some of those names kind of like make you think of certain things. Like we might know guys named Rocky, right? And someone named Rocky, you might expect them to be, strong or, bold or tenacious like a rock. You get what I'm saying? So a lot of African names and a lot of Igbo names specifically, which is what I know the most about because I'm Igbo, they're spiritual names as well too. So they have to do with strength and things like that, and like certain gifts and certain, mindsets, and certain like philosophies and things like that. So that's kind of the type of name that I will give you. So I hope you would appreciate something like that. So please remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit that bell button to get a notification anytime I post a new video. Anytime you subscribe or like or engage in any other type of way, it helps the YouTube algorithm share this video, like send it and show it to like more people just like you who might be interested in a YouTube channel that highlights Igbo Nigerian names. I appreciate everyone's support of this YouTube channel. Thanks a lot. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.